How to turn off Meta AI chat history settings. If you want to stop Meta AI from saving your conversations, this video will show you how to manage your chat history settings. First, open the Meta AI website and sign into your account. Now, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Click on Settings. Next, select Data and Privacy. Click on Manage Your Information. Here, you'll find your chat history and other data management options. If the option to turn off chat history is available for your account or region, disable it and save the changes. If you don't see this option, Meta AI may not currently support disabling chat history for your account, but you can still manage or delete your saved conversations from the same section. That's how you can manage Meta AI chat history settings. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.